friends, subscribers, internet strangers. What's up? Hey, welcome to Black Friday. I told you I was going to one place. One place, right? There it is. I know y'all couldn't guess that the bigger pig was at a Walgreens. Right. All right, let's see what I can find. Good. Alright, so this is the second store. You can hear the music real loud, so I'm doing voiceover work. That truck was one of the buy two get two free for $6.99. It was the only one of the set that was worth any money, so you can hear me counting in the video 1, 2, 3, 4, trying to keep track so I keep it even. Because if you buy 3, you just lose the 4th one, so it doesn't make any sense. That microphone is $9.99, half price, so the little book and the microphones are both $5. Those are really good buys. There'll be screenshots on my phone at the end of this video showing those guys and the money I made on those. I've sold those for the past 3.5 years. So, and we got all of them. They're hiding back there. Yeah, so when you're in Walgreens, make sure you make your own little symphony. If they'll do it, man, he's my favorite right there. The singing trees, you gotta love them. Minnie Mouse, what do you do? Oh God, Minnie Mouse falls on the floor. Yeah, I'm doing a video. Minnie Mouse. I want to get a video of another store to show you what the toys, because I don't feel like I got enough. Those Disney mats, I've sold them for the past 4 years. They were half price at $4.99. The little swimmers, the Mickey Mouse swimmer is very good. That's $3.50. I think you make about $4.50 on those. I bought quite a few of those. And of the mats, they're not all the same. There's a mini one that's much better money than the Mickey. So this year I only bought the mini mats. So we're going to cruise on over to the main toy aisle and look at it around here, because they've got a lot of stuff that's 20 and 25% off, and there's a couple that are buy one get one half off. There's a couple Star Wars figures I ended up purchasing tonight. This video was shot after Black Friday just to show you the toys, and really you got to keep up with Walgreens if you're going to do Walgreens nearly every week, because there's rarely a week goes by that they don't put items on clearance. Now the stuff that was buy two get two free is buy two get one free. They generally run the buy two get two free one more time before Christmas, so I'll just keep an eye on the ad. Or I have a Walgreens right down the street from the house, so I generally pop in there on Sundays when I go out somewhere just to see what's up and what's going on. But you can see they have a lot of name brand toys. So let's go check out the clearance. I never go into Walgreens without at least checking out the clearance. This one still has some of the items on sale for 90% off on stationary items. Ended up picking up some mechanical pencils. You'll see them on the very top. Those guys right there, they were $1.99. They're 19 cents. I have a son who's in college. He lives here at home and goes to UAH, University of Alabama Huntsville. So they were 19 cents off. I think I picked up 8 or 10 packs. That was just a really good deal. 5-pack of mechanical pencils for 19 cents. I checked out the little folder here, but it was in the wrong place. It was actually only half. That thing was only half off, and so he doesn't need that. But if it was going to be 90% off, I was going to buy it. Just it's hard to pass up some things that are a good deal. That stapler was in the wrong spot. There were some ink pens there on the end that were 90%. I wish I would have found them. They were pilot ink pens. I like pilot ink pens. So let's show you. This store has the toys spread out in 3 or 4 different places. Here's some more of them. As you can see, there's more Disney. There's some random dude. There's a lot of Spider-Man and Marvel stuff that it's still buy 2 get 1 free. It was. Those remote control cars were half price as well. So if you didn't make it to Walgreens, you missed out on a good opportunity. All their Christmas wrap was buy 1 get 1 half off at this store. That's a local thing. That wasn't at every store. And then here's just more toys. You can see there's Funko Pop, there's Fingerlings, there's Snuggies. And then around this corner, there's a bunch of Harry Potter stuff, and even Harry Potter Lego that they've got here, the small sets. There's no money in here at all. Walgreens. Something called a Huggy. I don't know. A Huggle. I didn't really pay attention. I'm like, what the heck is that? And then they had these game sets here. These things were actually, they were half off on Black Friday. You can see them up there. They're now 25% off. And the VTech Learning Toys too. I didn't buy any of those just because the shipping starts. And hey, Bamopoly.
Alright, so see if we can't tie this video together. With the total sales value of the items I bought were $44.96.90 at the time I sent them in. Total buy value, I spent $1,106, and as you can see, I messed up a little bit. There's maybe $20 of the stuff sitting there that didn't go in because I didn't get the numbers right on Inventory Lab when I stuck them in. So they'll just go in with the next shipment. But this is pretty much close to all of it. The total net profit is, at the time I sent it in, prices will go up, prices will go down. But this is at the time I sent it in, is $1,566.58. An average sales rank of 36,431. They were all toys. There were 20 SKUs that I bought. I sent in a total of 262 items. So this was, I didn't go out until 8 o'clock Thursday night. Stores closed at 11, so I was home by midnight, so that was 4 hours. And then I went to 2 other stores Friday and then 1 Saturday. So I didn't spend any more than 5 hours on this. And then to get all the stickers off, Walgreens puts these little bitty stickers. They were some in the trash can. I can't find them, but they say either $6.99 or $9.99. Had to pull them off. That took like 30 minutes. It took 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes to sort it out. So 8 or 10 hours, absolute max in this to get it bought, de-stickered, entered in the inventory lab, because there's only 20 SKUs, so it doesn't take very long. They're just gonna, inventory lab is nice because it prints out as you go. It prints out your labels. So labeled them up, and I had the boxes sitting here ready, and then as soon as the box was finished, I marked what number it was and then moved on to the next one. There were 7 total boxes that went out. I believe it was 300. All this is in this is after the net profit. So there was 396 pounds sent in, and I believe it cost me 47 bucks to send it to Memphis, somewhere in there. So now that'll push it down closer to 1,500. That's after Amazon fee. That's after paying for the product and everything. I only stayed in Huntsville, so there's really no mileage is negligible. You know, maybe 30 miles total to go get all these, because Huntsville has 10 Walgreens, soon to be 13. The Rite Aids are changing over as we speak. So hopefully this helps you some. Just beware, the items I picked up today were mostly Disney. They're at the, I'll show you some screenshots of the phone at the end of the video. So you need to make sure you are not restricted in Disney. But it was just a very good place. Walgreens, I was the only one in there most of the time. You know, there was no crowds to fight. They love the fact that you're buying this stuff, because they're going to be stuck with it for a while, because most people don't realize they're really nice toys for Christmas at Walgreens, especially a lot of Disney toys. So not a bad. I didn't fight crowds. I didn't want to go out. You know, my wife is sick, so I didn't want to spend any time away from home. And to still make $1,500 in 10 or 12 hours of work, I'll take that. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Do the YouTube stuff, I'd appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about finding these things. If you got any questions, let me know, and I'll do my best. I try to answer in the comments. Not been great lately, just because time with fourth quarter, and now my wife's sick, and then trying to run eBay as well as Amazon. So I don't have a ton of time, but I will do my best to read your comments, and I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, so let's end this video off in great fashion. Roll Tide. Never forget that. Roll Tide.